8.4 starts with the question, what is the area of my skin? The objective is to demonstrate how to estimate the area of a surface having a curved boundary and to provide practice converting from one square unit to another. What I'm going to do here though, students, is I'm going to have you look at the mental math and reflexes first. Let's see how quickly we can get these together. 80 minus 50, 30. 120 minus 30, 90. 250 minus 60, 190. 370 minus 90, 280. 86 minus 41, 45. 149 minus 42, 107. 278 minus 73, 205. And 357 minus 122, 335. I'm sorry, 235. Let's try this one again. 64 minus 45, 19. 203 minus 150, 53. 671 minus 80, 591. And 417 minus 60, 357. I hope you could do that as quickly as I did, only hopefully you didn't make a mistake like I did. Alright, instead of taking this math message, I'm going to skip through this fairly quickly because I want to get through to what I think is really going to be most beneficial for you. I want you to go to the math boxes and I want you to go ahead and review some of the skills that we've learned thus far. When you finish with that, I also want you to go into the Math Journal answer key and correct those answers. Then the study link is what I want you to focus on the most. What I want you to do is I want you to read the directions carefully, and it's telling you that below is a map of Sao Paulo State in Brazil. Each grid square represents 2,500 square miles, so you need to estimate the area of the state. So about how many grid squares are you going to count? This is where you need to, again, go through, and all I'm going to do is start you out here. Okay, we got a full grid here, and we got a full one here, and we got a full one here. We got 4 here, we got 5, we got 6. Now if you notice this one here, this one along with this little bit right here would probably be a 7. So we got that area accounted for. Okay, we got an 8, we got a 9, we got a 10. Excuse my writing, I don't write very well with the pen on the Active Inspire. 11, we got a 12. This is a full one for 13, 14. Here's 15, 16, 17, 18. Then we got a 19 about right here. Okay. We got about a 20 here. If we would put these two together, we probably would come up with 21 because those are almost half, so there'd be 21. Maybe if we put these two together, we'd come up with a number 22. Again, if we put these two together, that's probably more than a 23. So we're going to take this one with the 23 and maybe put this one with the 23. This would be a 24. And this little bit that's down here with this would be about a 25. This is roughly a 26, especially if we count this one only as one as a 27. This one is pretty much a 28, especially if we counted this with it. We could make this a 29 along with this one. This is definitely almost one by itself, so that's a 30. This one along with this one would probably make a 31. This would be a 32. And I'd say this one with this one and possibly all these little pieces we see up here would make a total of 33 grid squares. So the area is about how many square miles? Well, remember, each grid square represents 2,500 square miles. So we're going to have to do some multiplying here. So you're going to have to take 2,500 times the 33, and then that's going to give you your answer that you need here for square miles. Please do the practice down here on the bottom and show your work.